Okay, so let's take a look at how you can use alert widget with WordPress page or post using Elementor plugin. So I logged into WordPress and I have installed Elementor plugin. So let's go to page or post where you wish to add that widget. So here I have one page which I am going to edit with Elementor, and once loaded, what I will do is I will find that from general widgets section. So in general widgets, let's find alert. Okay, and here you see alert, which I'm going to drop in here. As you can see, this is alert. Similarly, there are types of alerts, like this was info, then there is success, which is green, then warning, which is slightly orange, danger, which is reddish. Okay, so we can even edit the content using title and description. Then there is style for border. You can make it white, or you can make it black, or based on the color of that message. Okay, then there is background color, which you can edit. And there is same properties, text, color and typography for title and description. And then advanced setting, which are pretty much common for all widget, but we don't need it in this context. Okay, but if you want, you can hide this on responsive layout like tablet and mobile. Okay, now let's update this and try to view the changes. Okay, as you can see, our danger alert is being shown. This can be disabled with this mark X. Okay, so you get the idea how to use alert widget with WordPress page or post using Elementor's alert widget.